Hello everyone, this is Maurizio, editor-in-chief of PowerElectronicsNews.com, and welcome to PCIM in this second day. And I have the pleasure to be here with my friend Sonu Daryanani, technical writer at PowerElectronicsNews.com. Hi Sonu,
Hi
how's it going?
Maurizio, good.
Good. So, let's understand which are the news in this second day, day 2 at PCIM. So I saw a couple of news, I attended a couple of meetings, so please share your point of view.
Yeah, it's been a really busy day. I went by the EPC booth and they had a demo on the half-bridge GaN IC, which is a 100-volt application for motor drives. So it's an all-integrated GaN solution, which is pretty interesting. And then Wolfspeed demoed the 25 kilowatt base splitless module, which is a bidirectional 25 kilowatt application, for low, medium power applications, where you also have, an option for a pre-applied thermal interface material.
Yep.
And then a lot on packaging. So for example, I talked to Heraeus on the sintering solutions. They have they shared some high reliability options for sintering for applications that need more robust solutions.
So
for
reliability is
packaging.
always a good point. Is a point to check better because when you are introducing new devices, reliability is always a good point.
Exactly. Yeah, and packaging is such a key component of the WBG devices because they have good performance inherently, but the package also needs to be equally good.
Yes.
And a lot of companies are investing now efforts to improve the packaging. For example, Infineon talked about now the top-cooled package solutions that they'll be offering on silicon carbide, which improves the thermal performance and can extend the range of those, devices. Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So from my point of view, so I attended a couple of meetings with Tektronix in particular. So they are showing They are showing high power supply DC power supply after the acquisition with the Electro Automatic, but also the oscilloscopes with at the Tektron. I talk also with John Tucker about testing in wideband gap. So he highlighted the dynamic radiation in particular. Andrea Vinci of Tektronix showed me the solution, the oscilloscope at the booth. So Nexperia is introducing Nexperia new silicon carbide diodes, so for UPS and other solutions. So Nexperia that is investing in silicon carbide with diodes, but also MOSFETs, and also GaN, so E-mode and cascode structure. I talked with Infineon about reliability, just talking about reliability. So they are providing a new modeling for components and to understand, to have statistics in terms of failures.
Yeah.
And this can be applied for each system, power supply, for example. And I talked with Infineon, and the speaker showed me an example by using different components, and they did analysis in terms of failures and so on. So this is important. Also, if we talk about application like solar, for example, that the lifetime should be 25, 30.
Yeah.
So in theory.
Yeah.
And then power integrations with new updates about bridge switch, updates in terms of PI expert simulation, and so updates in particular about accuracy, improve accuracy only by using only phase information in terms of design, but also improve the standby power. So these are the main key elements. So of course, all of this information are on PowerElectronicNews.com under news section, so you can read carefully the press releases of all of these companies. Any other news, Sonu?
Yeah, I mean, really for GaN, I think, the application space is expanding. So a lot of the charger application is well known for low powers. And now, a lot of people are talking about higher powers. So, for example, in a AI server, where you could need kilowatts, and then also, for example, Navitas
Yep.
talked about a 600 watt microinverter application, which would be switching at 1 megahertz bidirectional using GaN, and also further from that, like 3.2 kilowatts for an AI server. So a lot of new higher power applications in GaN are being presented.
Yeah, but also in terms of silicon carbide, I did a meeting with Apex. They are promoting high voltage power amplifiers now, but they are investing in silicon carbide modules in particular, and so the modules should, I mean, should have a big market, a good market in automotive, in industrial. So they are pushing more in terms of industrial application, so and so on. So a lot of news.
Yeah,
A
exactly.
lot of news in terms of GaN, in terms of silicon carbide in particular.
Yeah.
And so I did a couple of video interviews with several speakers. You will find this video online sooner. And so we talked different topics. So in particular, I can mention wide band gap for sure, but also battery analysis, talking about electrification, but also climate change, renewable energy, hydrogen in particular. So stay tuned on powerelectronicnews.com and you will find these video interviews. Sonu, for today it's all.
Yeah, I think it's been a busy day. And
We'll see tomorrow
We'll see
for
tomorrow.
the last day of PCIM 2024,
Yep.
right?
Sounds good.
Thank you, Sonu, and thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.